Alright, this is our finished results of our broccoli, mushroom, and rice. And I want to show you how beautiful it came out and how delicious it looks, and it tastes fabulous. This is fabulous with a steak, fabulous with some chicken, fabulous with some salmon. This is a wonderful, different dish that you can bring to your family. I like it because it's flaky, it's not mushy, and it tastes wonderful. Look at those mushrooms. Look at that broccoli in there. This is wonderful, y'all. This is a wonderful side dish that you would do within, what, 5 minutes, maybe less. You have your rice ready. You steam your broccoli in the microwave, and you saute your broccoli. Not your broccoli, saute your mushrooms, and add it a little at a time, and add this gravy to give it a little richness. Hey, there you go. You got a wonderful side dish to go with some Popeye chicken or Church's chicken. This time I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my broccoli, mushrooms, and rice with brown gravy. I was on a live chat with Rejoice with Jeanny, and I want to dedicate this recipe to her. And I was thanking God that her daughter is doing wonderful. She went to see her daughter, and she stayed about 8 weeks with her daughter until she got better. And I just thank God for that. It's a miracle. Amen. And amazing how God works in our life when everything is all gone and He's there to turn things around. I love you, Jeanny. Thank you very much for being a participant in my channel. And thank you for the shout out. And I'm going to do this recipe and dedicate it to you. What I'm doing now is melting butter and oil together. You have to have that in there because the oil takes up the mushroom takes up a lot of oil. It does. So we got the mushrooms in here. I got them all cleaned. And I just put them back in this container because I get tired of washing dishes, y'all. So what I'm doing now is sauteing the mushrooms in the butter and the little oil. I want to coat them just like this. This recipe just came to me, and I thought maybe it would be a wonderful side dish for those who just get tired of eating the same side dishes all the time. You want something different, and this will be something different to go with a steak or even some salmon. Now, I have a video of salmon coming out. We ate this with that, and it is delicious, delicious. So I made 2 videos so I can cut down on these videos. Okay, my mushrooms are cooking, and I'm going to get the broccoli out the microwave. Okay, I sauteed my broccoli in the microwave. And I like doing it like that. You can have control of how you want it, raw, medium raw, or just well cooked. You can do that with that. So what we're doing now, we're letting the mushrooms get all coated with the butter and the oil. And we're going to stir this around a little bit until they get kind of soft. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. And I'll be right back. All right, our mushrooms have got real soft. So we're going to add a big heaping teaspoon of garlic, maybe 2. I like to use this, I cannot get this right. I like to use a minced garlic, and it turns out real good for me because I don't like garlic hands. So what we're going to do is just saute that together just like that, and this is smelling wonderful already, y'all. Already smelling wonderful. So what I'm going to do is use some of this Cajun season to sprinkle around just a little because I didn't add no salt, and I'm just going to add just a little of that. And I like this. This is an off-brand. I paid $1 for it, and it is really good. It's Cajun Foods Creole season, and I like that. I really like it. So I'm going to add some black pepper because I like mine a little peppery. Some people don't like a lot of pepper, but I do. So add a little pepper in there just like that. And this dish is almost done. We're just going to let this go ahead and saute again like this. It smells wonderful already when you put that garlic. You can put any season that you want in your dish at this time. That's why I always tell you, use what you like. Use the dishes that you like the season that you like to bring out the flavor that you like for your family. Because, a recipe is not a recipe till you do something to it, Okay, what we're doing now is just getting this like this, and it smells wonderful. And I got this brown gravy mix. I like this brown gravy mix. It's called Grandma's Brown Gravy Mix, and it's wonderful. I already got it mixed up over here in this bowl so I can just pour it in. So what I'm going to do right now is add the rice. I'm going to add the rice. Easy little dish, y'all. Easy little side dish to go with anything. Neck bones, anything you want, just go with it. If you got some neck bones, you cook them and put it in there with that. Okay, we're going to stir that in. I like that. I think that's enough rice. Oh, it smells good. We're going to cut it up. Make sure that it gets really fried. Like, yes, indeed. This smells good. It tastes good. I'm pretty sure it does. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm sure it's going to taste good. Okay, what we're doing now, just letting it come back up to a boil like that. Come back up, and we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Add some Worcestershire sauce to it, just like that. Not too much, just enough that you can taste it in there. Don't go overboard. Smells good already. Smelling good, smelling good. Look at that. Really smelling good, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to give it a little taste and see what it tastes like. There's some salt in it, y'all. Let's a little salt. A little salt. And more black pepper. More black pepper. Mushrooms and black pepper just mix to me, y'all. Okay, and they mix up together. We got it all like this. Now, we're going to add our broccoli. Broccoli already cooked. Make sure your broccoli is cooked. We're going to blend it in like this. You can chop it down like this. Come on, be in little stalks like this. And I try to make it a little healthy. I didn't cook it all the way through. Make it a little crunchy. The mushrooms and everything. See how they're coming up with a good dish, y'all. Little old good little dish, sure. Chop them up like that. You can cook them real done if you want. But I just wanted to make sure that it was kind of more on the healthy side, Keep the vitamins and minerals in there. Break it up like that. Put it down. Just like that, y'all. Tell you, this is going to be a little side dish that people are going to say, where did you get this little side dish from? So I got it from Sandra on soulfoodqueen.net. Okay, now we got this all working in like this. And what we're going to do is pour a little gravy on it just like this, because it's going to thicken it up a little bit. Just like that, just enough that satisfy your mixture. Still just like that. Let's see if that's going to be good enough. Smell wonderful, y'all. You can put onions in here, you can put carrots in here, you can put anything you desire in this. We just do a little side dish right quick. Add a little bit more gravy. It's all blended up, y'all. Like that. And let it get a little gravy to it. Look at that, how it's thickening up. Ooh, that's going to be good, going to be good, going to be good. Okay, we'll be right back when it's finished, y'all. Okay? All right. Our side dish is done. And we're going to add it to a bowl. And you got some fried chicken out there, or some cornbread, muffins, or whatever. You add that to that, y'all. This is something different. And it's really good with a beef steak or beef chops. Very good. I'm going to do like my grandma used to do. Eat with a spoon. See what it tastes like. It's good. I'm going to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. And thank you so very much for being a participant in my channel. Thank you so very much. And always give prayer to someone. Jeanny, I'm praying for you as always. That's Rejoice with Jeanny, y'all. Okay, the same one said, I want to say happy eating, y'all.